Welcome back to Healing Supplements videos, where we uncover the natural secrets to better health and vitality. Today's video is all about one of nature's most powerful immune-boosting herbs, elderberry. We'll cover its incredible health benefits, what happens when you don't get enough, the best sources, and why supplementation can be especially important for older adults. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share where you can find a trusted source for high-quality elderberry supplements linked below in the comments. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this video a like so you never miss out on future health tips. Elderberry comes from the Sambucus plant, most commonly the Sambucus nigra species. For centuries, elderberries have been used in traditional medicine to fight off colds, flu, and other seasonal illnesses. These small, dark purple berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and flavonoids that help strengthen your immune system and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Elderberry works in the body by supporting immune system function, helping the body fight off viral infections, reducing inflammation and protecting tissues from oxidative damage, providing a natural source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, and beneficial flavonoids. The antioxidants in elderberries, particularly anthocyanins, act as natural defenders against harmful free radicals. This not only strengthens your immune system but also contributes to overall cellular health, heart health, and skin vitality. Now let's dive deeper into the top health benefits of elderberry. Boosts immune system. Elderberry is most famous for its immune-boosting properties. Studies show that elderberry extract can reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu when taken at the first signs of illness. Fights viral infections. Elderberry has natural antiviral effects. The compounds inside the berry can block viruses from attaching to and entering your cells, reducing how long you feel sick. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Elderberries are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that help calm the body's inflammatory response. Supports heart health. Elderberry helps reduce cholesterol levels, improve circulation, and support healthy blood pressure, making it a fantastic herb for cardiovascular health. Rich in antioxidants. The anthocyanins found in elderberries protect your cells from damage and slow down the effects of aging. Skin and hair benefits. Because elderberry is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, it promotes healthy skin, helps reduce wrinkles, and even supports collagen production for firmer skin. Digestive support. Elderberries are a good source of fiber which promotes healthy digestion and supports gut health. Now here's something important. While elderberry isn't an essential nutrient in the sense of a vitamin or mineral, not including antioxidant-rich foods like elderberry in your diet can leave your body more vulnerable to frequent colds and infections, slower recovery time when you're sick, increased inflammation and joint discomfort, faster aging of skin and tissues due to oxidative stress, weaker cardiovascular health. So, even though you won't be deficient in elderberry specifically, missing out on its unique compounds may mean missing out on stronger immunity and better overall wellness. So, how can you get elderberry? Fresh elderberries. These can sometimes be found in specialty markets, but they must be cooked before eating, since raw elderberries can cause stomach upset. Elderberry syrup. One of the most popular forms, especially during cold and flu season. Elderberry tea. A soothing way to enjoy the benefits while boosting hydration. Elderberry gummies or capsules, convenient and effective supplement options, especially if you want consistent daily support. Extracts and tinctures, potent, concentrated forms of elderberry for maximum benefit. As we age, our immune systems naturally weaken, making us more susceptible to infections, colds, and the flu. Older adults often experience longer recovery times from illness, higher levels of inflammation, increased risk of cardiovascular issues. Elderberry supplementation can help counteract these age-related challenges. By boosting immune function, fighting inflammation, and protecting the heart, elderberry is a fantastic addition to the wellness routine of older adults. To put it all together, elderberry works on multiple levels to help you achieve optimal health. It strengthens your immune system, reduces your chances of getting sick, supports your heart, improves skin health, aids digestion, and helps keep inflammation under control. Think of elderberry as one of nature's best defenders, a small berry with massive protective power. So, if you're looking to strengthen your immune system, improve your heart health, and give your body a powerful antioxidant boost, elderberry may be the perfect addition to your health routine. I've listed a trusted source for elderberry supplements in the comments section below so you can check it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Healing Supplements videos. Click the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Like this video to support the channel, and share your experiences with elderberry, or drop your questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.